Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel What is MrRoy. Today we are doing permutation, which means like arrangement of the objects. I'm writing here arrangement of the objects in a definite order. This is very important. Definite order means we have a definite order and we cannot change it. When there is no definite order, it means that will become combination. Okay. Today's target is like we have no restriction. No restriction is very important because in the next video, I will be talking about the permutation with restriction. There is no restriction in this exercise or in this video. So arrangement of all the objects in a definite order is just called permutation, and arrangement word is very important for the permutation. I would like to use one example here. I am taking alphabets, four alphabets, A, B, C, and D. My target is what? This I want to arrange these four alphabets in definite order. It can be A, B, C, D. It can be A, C, B, D. It can be anything else. So what I have to do, I have to use different methods now. What is the first method? The first method is what? I have to write all the possibilities as A in the first place, B, C, and D. For example, when you have A, B, and C only, it can be ACB, or it can be BAC, or it can be BCA, it can be CAB, or it can be CBA. Like there are 6 possibilities that we can arrange three objects, like three altogether. There are three alphabets and three objects. For this four, how we can work with this? Very simple. That I have to use the method. There are three methods we can use. The first method is what? That I have to like we have to arrange the objects in these places. There are four places here. Okay. In the first place, I can write A, I can write B, I can write C, or I can write D. It means in the first place, I have four possibilities. Here, there are four possibilities. It means A, B, C, or D. When I have used one alphabet, it means here I have, if suppose I have used A here, then I have option B, C, and D only. So there are only three possibilities in the second position. When I have used two alphabets, suppose A and D, and this here, I have now only two possibilities, B and C. It can be other alphabet. So it means I have only two possibilities now. So when I have used, suppose C I have used, so it means in this position, I can just write only one alphabet. So these are the positions that's in the first place, second place, third place, and fourth place. Now, the basic counting principle method is what? In basic counting principle, we always multiply the individual outcomes, and 4 times 3, 3 times 2, and it's coming 24 possibilities, or it means we can write A, B, C, D in 24 ways. If I move to here like A, B, and C, so here we have three possibilities, where we have two possibilities and one. And when we multiply, it's coming six. And we have just done it here, like by writing in order or by writing the basic counting principle. So this was the basic counting principle. The second method is what? What we can do now, when we write like total objects, all like I want to write all the objects, arrange all objects, arrange all objects. So when we arrange all objects, we have a, because there is no restriction, there is no restriction. Arrange all objects means there is only one formula. I have to write n, like we can write n factorial. What is n factorial? N means how many numbers total, like we have four. So we can write here just 4 factorial. The 4 factorial means 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, and we have the same thing here. Same thing. 4 3 is 12, and 12 times 2 is 24, times 1 is also 24. So it's coming. There are 24 ways to arrange this A, B, C, and D. Even we can write, when we write all the objects, we can write like NPN. This means we're talking about all the objects. There is no restriction. So N here, N, this is the total, and this N is required. How many you need? As there is no restriction, so it's NPN. It can be NP1, it can be NP like R, it can be anything. So when we write N is for P, and this is also for when you use calculator and press like factor like 4p4, your answer will be 24. So this is just only the explanation without restriction, the permutation, how we can find and what do you mean by permutation. So we have done it. If you think this video is useful for you, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Thank you so much and have a nice day.